I know that there'll be a lot of parents who are looking at buying electric scooters for their children. They can be sold, and they are sold by retailers. They can only be used on private land. So if you're prepared to be taking your child to somewhere private land where you've got permission to ride them, that is fine, but just make sure that your child isn't riding on a public area or a public space. So at the moment, UK legislation says that any e-bike to be legal needs to be fully pedal assisted, not exceed 15.5 miles an hour, and not have a battery over 250 kilowatts. So anything that doesn't fit within that criteria is illegal. The majority of shops will sell legal pedal assisted e-bikes. Where we've seen a lot of the confusion is around the scooters. So scooters, any electric scooter is illegal to ride on roads unless there is an official scheme in place. There are in some cities. There's not currently one in Cardiff. If it's being ridden on a public highway, a road or public space, green areas, there's a high chance our operations, we started this period of enforcement or intensification in August. The operations are taking place. We've had one on Sunday just gone, and they are going to continue. So there's a high chance of the bike being seized and then crushed. It's important we tackle it because we want everyone to feel safe in the community. We want people to feel safe when they're walking down the street or driving on the roads. Responsible road users, driving cars or motorcycles, they pay tax, they pay insurance, they ride sensibly. What we found with the scooters and e-bikes, we got a lot of riding on pavement, a lot of people riding without protective equipment, without insurance, without tax. So it's important that we make sure that people in our communities, on our high streets, on our roads, feel safe. Education is important, so as part of the operation we've been offering education. So people who stop riding, the bike is seized and education's offered. We're working closely with Cardiff Council around education in youth engagement, so through schools, through youth clubs, providing education to young people. We're working with the fire service around the dangers of charging lithium-ion batteries. We're working with housing providers to give people education around charging lithium-ion batteries. So for us, it's education. I understand that a lot of children are going to be asking their parents for e-scooters or conversion kits for their bikes because they're seeing it being done by their friends, by their peers. So for us at the moment, it's really important to educate people do their research and understand what's legal and what's not. We have a number of reports. People do report them because there's antisocial behaviour. So we have seen an increase in reporting around the use of illegal e-bikes and dangerous riding of them as well. It's affecting communities. The bikes, they're not insured, they're not got MOT. There's some riders that are riding dangerously on the pavements, which are a danger to pedestrians. They're also a danger to road users. A lot of the riders we stop haven't got helmets themselves. There's no lights on the bike as well, and the brakes of a normal mountain bike are not powerful enough to stop at the speed that they're travelling. So that's where we get the most of the reports from members of the community. The best methods are through our non-emergency. So if something's happening, you feel it's dangerous, then ring 999. You can report that through 101 as a non-emergency. But if it's something that's repeatedly happening, not happening at that time, reporting through online reporting. That gives us an idea of the areas being affected and the times that we can target our patrols and our operations to those areas at those times.